Hi friends, today interesting topic is why the birds are flying in V formation because they are saving the more energy. The birds are flying without V formation, they can travel only 100 kilometers per hour, but the birds are flying V formation, they can travel 171 kilometers per hour. They are saving the more energy, they are able to extract the maximum benefits by putting less efforts. How? How they are saving the energy? When a bird flies, the tips of both its wings create a rotating vortex. When the bird flaps its wings, it pushes the air down, it creates a pressure difference. The air below the wings creates higher pressure than the above the wings. The air pushes down, the resulting is downwash, and hence the air pushes up, the resulting is upwash. By doing this process, increasing its pressure difference, the behind the birds increases the energy and saving the more benefits. The leader of first place of bird putting more effect compared to the behind the birds. That's why the leader of the bird traveling some distance after the behind the birds are placing the first post, and they're saving the more energy and traveling to more distance. It is the secret why the birds are flying in V formation. If you like the information, please subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.